So now let's see how we can work around with database form text inside of Notion. So to do that, I'm going to go around and type in slash and just type in form right here, and then I'm going to select form database. So over here, you can see that I got some different type of entries right here, question 1 and 2. So one of the types of fields that I can add in is the text field. So to do that, let me just click on the plus button right here and select text, let's say for example, and then you can simply go around and let's say for example, say comments right here as the title. You can go around onto edit title and then make it as required, or make it as a description right here, just like this, so that you can go ahead and add in a description for this particular field. And you can also turn it into a long answer so that people can add in long answer to it. So you can see that the question type is text. You can go ahead and change that out accordingly as well, just like this as well. And this is what you have. So this is the comment type question. Let me just go ahead and delete out these particular fields right here and preview. And you can see that this is what I have right here. So as I selected long text, you can see that I can go ahead and add in multi-line comments right here and simply go ahead and submit. So if I were to go ahead and view my response, this is what you have, as you can see. So this is how you can go ahead and add in database form text and change around the text form properties inside of Notion Forms. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.